I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about painting before or after carpet installation. Now, some people want to try to paint the walls after the carpet installation to make sure that the colors match. To be honest, the best thing to do is to paint before. You can paint after, but it's much easier to paint before. That way you aren't having to run tarps and plastic everywhere to try to cover up that wood floor. If you choose to paint after you've installed carpet, you're going to have to run tarps or Visqueen and tape them to the walls across the entire area. You want to make sure that no paint gets onto your carpet because it doesn't come out very easily. If you choose to do it before, you can set your cans, your paint anywhere on the wood floor or even your old carpet and not worrying about damaging any of the carpet. Also, trimming out around the bottom where the carpet goes is a lot easier. Painting that trim after you've installed carpet is a lot harder because you have to use something to shove underneath the carpet and the trim so that way you don't get any of that paint on your carpet. If you're worried about trying to match the paint to your carpet, you can always take a board or a piece of drywall, put on the paint that you want in your room, and take it into the carpet store to match it that way. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.